wanted to show you something. This is my 4.5-inch grinder. It's been around for a long time. Got this from my grandpa. You can see that it's been through a lot, seen its days, and it was just time to replace it. The old switcherooski on me there wore out, and it's gone. It's missing. So I don't even know where this is from. My grandpa gave it to me long time ago. Bench Pro, I don't know. Maybe got it in Mexico or something, but junk, that's all done for. So what I got me here is a Harbor Freight version, 4.5-inch angle grinder, 8 amp Bauer. Picked this up last month. It's a Christmas present actually, so thank you for that. But I've used it a little bit, but this is basically what comes in the box. Got your 4.5-inch grinder here. Looks nice, feels nice. Nice trigger there. Got your lock button. And then your unlock tool, which is what's cool about this lock tool is that it's the same tool that I've got on my larger Black & Decker grinder. So I don't have to track several tools like my die grinders. I've got a few of those, and it seems like each one of them has a different tool. So, you know, the cord on it, it's pretty good. Looks like it's about 5 foot or so. So, pretty nice tool. So I wanted to show you a couple of the other accessories that this grinder came with. It's got this cool shield. What's neat about this shield is that it's got this clip on it. And you're able to put it on and take it off as you need. Of course, you got to take the wheel off, whatever kind of disc you're using, before you place this on there. But I kind of like that because if you're like me, most of you guys, you probably don't even use these things. But having that quick release, I'll probably use it a little more because it is a safety feature. But as you guys know, sometimes it does just get in the way. So here's the other piece that it came with it. This is the handle that screws into the side of the grinder here. Gives you a little extra grip so that you can use that. But it's only a 4.5-inch die grinder. I don't think I need that. Well, I'm going to put this to use today. You can see how it works. See what you think. Maybe if it's something you want to invest in. The price on it was pretty good. And it's just the right size grinder for doing this kind of work. It's got this handy button back here so you can lock the disc while you're tightening it down. Alright. Let's get to work. See how this Bauer grinder does. Alright, so just a quick review of that grinder. I thought you might want to see that. I was pretty impressed with it. It's only $39.99 at Harbor Freight, and you know how those coupons work. If you wait, you can probably get it a lot cheaper. I really put it through its paces. It never bogged down on me. It did everything I asked. I really like the trigger, and that tool matches my other grinder, so I can't complain. If you want to see this thing at work, check out my other video. I'll put a link up right here. Go see it. Follow along too. I'm working on this old Firebird, and I'd love to have you along. Check out the build on Heavy Pedal Garage. Catch me next time.